Question number 11. You are building an app by using the Speech SDK. The app will translate speech from French to German by using natural language processing. You need to define the source language and the output language. You need complete the following code. Which value should you choose for placeholder 1? Option A, add target language. Option B, speech recognition language. Option C, speech synthesis language. Option D, target languages. Option E, voice name. The correct answer is option B, speech recognition language. It sets the language for speech recognition, which is the source language, French in this case, that will be recognized and translated. Question number 12. You are building an app by using Speech SDK. The app will translate speech from French to German by using natural language processing. You need to define the source language and the output language. You need to complete the following code. Which value should you choose for placeholder 2? Option A, add target language. Option B, speech recognition language. Option C, speech synthesis language. Option D, target languages. Option E, voice name. The correct answer is option A, add target language. It specifies the target language, German in this case, to which the recognized speech will be translated. Question number 13. You are developing a streaming speech-to-text solution that will use Speech SDK and MP3 encoding. You need to develop a method to convert speech-to-text for streaming MP3 data. You need to complete the following code. Which value should you choose for placeholder 1? Option A, audioconfig.setProperty. Option B, audio stream format. Option C, gatewave format PCM. Option D, pool audio input stream. The correct answer is option B, audio stream format. It specifies the format of the audio stream, which in this case is MP3. The audio stream format class allows you to define the specific format of the audio data being streamed. Question number 14. You are developing a streaming speech-to-text solution that will use the Speech SDK and MP3 encoding. You need to develop a method to convert speech-to-text for streaming MP3 data. You need to complete the following code. Which value should you choose for placeholder 2? Option A, keyword recognizer. Option B, speaker recognizer. Option C, speech recognizer. Option D, speech synthesizer. The correct answer is option C, speech recognizer. It is used for converting speech to text. The speech recognizer class is designed to recognize speech from audio streams and convert it into text. Question number 15. You have the following C# function. You call the function by using the following code. My function, text analytics client, The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Which output will you receive? Option A, the quick, the lazy. Option B, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Option C, jumps over the. Option D, quick brown fox, lazy dog. The correct answer is option D, quick brown fox, lazy dog. The function myFunction is designed to extract key phrases from the input text using the text analytics client.extract keyphrases method. Given the text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, the Azure Text Analytics service will identify significant phrases within the sentence. Expected output for key phrase extraction typically includes the main nouns or noun phrases that represent the core content of the text. For the provided sentence, key phrases include quick brown fox, lazy dog. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 16. You have the following C# or Python method. The first image is the C#. The second image is the Python. You need to deploy an Azure resource to the East US Azure region. The resource will be used to perform sentiment analysis. How should you call the method? Option A, create_resource, res1, text analytics, standard, East US. Option B, create_resource, res1, content moderator, S0, East US. Option C, create_resource, res1, content moderator, standard, East US. Option D, create_resource, res1, text analytics, S0, East US. The correct answer is option D, create_resource, res1, text analytics, S0, East US. The resource kind for performing sentiment analysis is text analytics, and the appropriate SKU for Azure Cognitive Services is S0. Additionally, the region should be specified in lowercase with no spaces, which is East US. Question number 17. You have an Azure AI search solution and a collection of handwritten letters stored as JPEG files. You plan to index the collection. The solution must ensure that queries can be performed on the contents of the letters. You need to create an indexer that has a skill set. Which skill should you include? Option A, image analysis. Option B, optical character recognition, OCR. Option C, key phrase extraction. Option D, document extraction. The correct answer is option B, optical character recognition, OCR. Enable query capability on handwritten JPEG letters. The OCR skill must be included in the indexer's skill set. This skill extracts text from images, allowing the content of handwritten letters to be indexed and made searchable in Azure AI Search. Question number 18. Note: this question is part of a series of questions that present the same scenario. Each question in the series contains a unique solution that might meet the stated goals. You are building a chatbot that will use question answering in Azure Cognitive Service for language. You have a PDF document named doc1.pdf that contains a product catalog and a price list. You upload doc1.pdf and train the model. During testing, users report that the chatbot responds correctly to the following question: what is the price of? The chatbot fails to respond to the following question: how much does it cost? You need to ensure that the chatbot responds correctly to both questions. Solution: from Language Studio, you enable chit-chat and then retrain and republish the model. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Enabling chit-chat adds predefined conversational responses for casual dialogue, not domain-specific question variation handling. To improve the chatbot's understanding of different phrases like how much does X cost, you need to add alternative question variations or enable deep semantic understanding through active learning, not chit-chat. Question number 19. Note: this question is part of a series of questions that present the same scenario. Each question in the series contains a unique solution that might meet the stated goals. You are building a chatbot that will use question answering in Azure Cognitive Service for language. You have a PDF named doc1.pdf that contains a product catalog and a price list. You upload doc1.pdf and train the model. During testing, users report that the chatbot responds correctly to the following question: what is the price of? The chatbot fails to respond to the following question: how much does it cost? You need to ensure that the chatbot responds correctly to both questions. Solution: from Language Studio, you create an entity for price and then retrain and republish the model. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Creating an entity helps with extracting structured data from user input but doesn't improve the model's ability to match different phrasings of the same question. To handle variations like how much does X cost, you need to add alternative question formulations to the knowledge base or use active learning, not entity creation. Question number 20. Note: this question is a part of a series of questions that present the same scenario. Each question in the series contains a unique solution that might meet the stated goals. You are building a chatbot that will use question answering in Azure Cognitive Service for language. You have a PDF named doc1.pdf that contains a product catalog and a price list. You upload doc1.pdf and train the model. During testing, users report that the chatbot responds correctly to the following question: what is the price of? The chatbot fails to respond to the following question: how much does it cost? You need to ensure that the chatbot responds correctly to both questions. Solution: from Language Studio, you create an entity for cost and then retrain and republish the model. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Creating an entity for cost and retraining the model is unlikely to resolve the issue of the chatbot failing to respond to variations in the phrasing of the question. The problem is likely due to the model not being trained adequately on diverse question patterns. To address this, you would need to add variations of the questions. Example, how much does it cost? To the training data and retrain the model. This will ensure the model is better equipped to handle different phrasings of the same question.